Another amazing Greenwoods house, pero 1 million lang down payment. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Baka ito na yun. This house stands on a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 390. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So this house has 2 car garage. Nandito tayo sa car garage ngayon. Ang dami nating bike. Hindi, may naglilinis kasi sa property. So it can fit 2 SUV, even 1 family van and an SUV kasyang-kasya. So, ang kagandahan pa dito, covered ang ating car garage. So, kung mapapansin nyo, there's a pathway here. Ito yung pathway papunta sa ating staff room and service area. Meron pa rin tayong stairs papunta sa laundry area. Mamaya natin i-check yun. So, let's go inside. Yan, ang ganda ng door natin. Oh. It's a big swivel door going to our double height ceiling na living area. Oh, wow, di ba? Ganda nito. Dumiretso na tayo sa living area, pero actually meron pa tayong isang parang office room dyan. Mamaya, we will show you. So, ang ganda kasi makikita nyo, double height ceiling, and then we have this accent wall from first floor up to the second floor. Yan, ang ganda niyan. So, pwede rin tayo mag-wall hang ng ating TV dito. And then, kung gusto nyo yung couch nyo is a big U-type couch, pwedeng-pwede. Maluwag na maluwag po ito. Although, don't worry kung naliliitan pa kayo dito sa living area na to. Napakalaki ng ating family area or living area sa 3rd floor. Mamaya, pupuntahan natin yan. Yan. So, nakalimutan natin to kanina, pero this is our first, hindi ito technically bedroom eh. Pero, if you have elderly, pwede rin itong maging bedroom. Yan. So, this is our technically first bedroom, pero pwede rin siyang office, home office. Napakaluwag for a home office. Siguro mga 2.5 by 2.5, mga 5 square meters siguro to. Wala siyang closet kasi, yun nga, parang office siya. Pero kung meron kayong elderly, pwede nyo pong ipagamit to as the elderly bedroom sa ground floor to para at least they don't have to go up to the 2nd or 3rd floor. Coming from our living room, this is eto na yung dining area natin. So, this is where your dining table can be placed pag ganon, pahaba. So, it can house siguro mga 8 to 12 seater na dining table, mahaba po siya. And then kung mapapansin nyo po, there's a dipping pool on your right side. Yan. So, di ba? Ang ganda kasi nandito sa dining area, pag may bisita kayo or yung mga anak nyo, sobrang init po ngayon. Grabe yung summer ng Pilipinas. Meron na kayong sariling pool. May sariling dipping pool na kayo. Mamaya puntahan natin yan. So, coming from the dining area, ito ang ating kitchen. For our kitchen, ano siya, parang U-type kitchen. Siguro, if you want, ang improvement na lang na pwede nyo ilagay siguro, kung nakukulangan pa kayo, pwede kayo mag-center island dito. Although baka medyo sumikip na siya. So, I think this is more than enough. Meron pa tayong service kitchen sa labas. Yan. So, this is, ayan, dito, kasya ang side-by-side na ref. Sure ako dyan. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong overhead cabinets. And then, meron tayong, ano pa to? Oh, may mga pantry cabinet pa tayo. And then, yan. Ito ang ating kitchen countertop na merong sliding glass windows coming from our service kitchen. So, itong kitchen natin, it's granite, and then you have the overhead cabinets. You also have the, kumbaga, under, yung mga cabinets natin under our countertop. Ano pa? Ano pang importante? This is very important also, itong mga open type shelves natin, lalo sa kitchen. Kasi syempre, pag meron kang coffee nook dito, nandito na lang yung mga coffee beans mo, yung mga ganung bagay ba. Simple pero it's very important sa mga detalye. Okay? Coming from there, we have a double sink. And then, namumove din ng ating faucet. And then, yun. Ang kadugtong natin, there's a door here going to our service kitchen. Pero meron tayong malaking sliding glass doors dito going to our dipping pool. O, di ba? Malaki to ha. 2 meters by... Our dipping pool is probably... Hindi, walang 2 meters. Mga 1.5. 1.5 by 5 siguro. Siguro mga 10 square meters to. O, di ba? Huwag nyo na lang punuin para hindi malunod. I'm 5'4". So, yung dipping pool natin, pag nakasagad, usually naman meron niyang mga 4-5 inches na hindi sinasagad. So, safe naman siya para sa adults. Sa bata, syempre, kailangan ng supervision natin for smaller kids. Pero, this one can house your afternoon delight with your friends and families. Dito yung ating service kitchen. Yan, pero medyo may gamit. Pero at least pakita lang namin sa inyo. That's the proper kitchen. This is the service kitchen. And then, ito rin yung pathway papunta dun sa ating carport kanina. Yung car garage natin. Ito. Dito. Meron din tayong maid's room na may sariling toilet and bath. So, this is the pathway coming from the garage. Meron tayong staff room. Yan. O, diba? Maluwag din yung staff room natin. Kasya ang double deck dito. And then, meron din silang toilet and bath. Yan. So, they have a separate, kumbaga, private space for them. And then, ito yung sinasabi namin kanina na parang kalahating hagdanan lang. Pero, this one kasi going to the laundry area upstairs. So, ito ang ating secret space, additional space natin. Medyo maliwanag, pero palagyan nyo lang to ng canopy. Pwede nang ito yung inyong laundry area. Very spacious, pati sampayan area. Ito na po. Siyempre, before heading up, papakita namin ang ating powder room. So, literal na toilet, and then you have a cute sink here para lang talaga sa guest nyo. Or pag nandito kayo sa baba, kung kailangan nyo ng number 1, number 2, pwede dito. Although, syempre, wala siyang shower. Now, let's head into the second floor. Welcome to our second floor. So, let's check the first bedroom. Yan. Actually, 5 bedrooms tong bahay na to. Pero if you count the ground floor room, which can be your office, it's 6 bedrooms. So, this can house or this can accommodate a double-sized bed. Queen size, medyo stretch, pero kasya naman. And then you have sliding glass windows here. Yan, medyo mahapon na. Ay, sorry. This one kasi is facing north. The property is facing north. So, nandito talaga yung nasa left side nyo yung ating sunset. Yan. And then you have built-in closet. Yan. Maluwag na yan. Marami nang mailalagay. Most likely naman, ito ang ating kids room. So, this first bedroom, or technically second bedroom, has its own toilet and bath. Ayan. So, Yan, wala lang yung shower niya pero lalagyan ng shower yan. Gray tiles, non-skid tiles. Gray din yung ating flooring. Pero ito yung medyo more parang rougher version niya. You have the sliding glass partition. And then of course you have your lavatory and sink and faucet. Yan. So for a kid's room, napaka-luwag na may sarili pang toilet and bath. This is our third bedroom. Yan, pagpasok natin, closet agad. Sorry, hindi ko nasabi agad. Yan, pagpasok, parang yung pathway, nilagyan na natin ng closet para hindi sayang yung space. And then, ang headboard natin would be most likely here. Kasya queen size bed dito. Tapos meron din siyang openable windows. Uy, sarap ng hangin. Alas 3 po kasi ng hapon. So, summer na summer tayo. Then, dito yung ating TV. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng TV ang inyong mga bedrooms, pwedeng-pwede. Ang nakaabang po pala na AC for all our bedrooms are split-type air conditioning units. Abang po yan, nakaabang. We also have the ensuite toilet and bath for your third bedroom. Yan, meron din tayong closet, kaya lang wala pang hawakan. Pero mas maluwag tong toilet and bath na to than the second one. You have the, of course, the sink and faucet, and then the toilet bowl, and then you have the shower enclosure. Shower na lang ulan. Hindi, kasama po yung shower dyan. Ang pinaka-idadagdag po natin siguro is the water heater. Pero meron na tayong glass enclosure. So, diba? Hindi nyo na kailangan ipalagay yan. Lalagyan pa ni seller ng shower. This is our master's bedroom and our fourth bedroom. Yun, no? Maluwag. O, diba? Luwag na itong master's bedroom natin. Headboard would be here. Pwede rin dyan. Kaya lang dito kasi yung merong socket yung magkabila. So, dyan yung bedside table natin. King size bed can easily fit in here. Size siguro 4 by 5, mga 20 square meters for the for the master's bedroom. And then on this side, pwede nyo lagyan ng kahit anong pinakamalaking TV dito. Kung mahilig kayo manood, or kung alam mo yun yung pastime nyo, or yung quality time with your wife or with your husband. Pwedeng-pwede. Ganda. And then, of course, meron din tayong sliding glass door papunta sa ating balcony. Yung balcony natin, medyo unique siya. Nasa side yung pinaka-glass door niya. Pero, may pathway pa tayo papunta sa harapan. Di ba? Usually, sa harap kasi. O, di ba? Parang may pa-surprise garden tayo dito. So, kung ito yung para sa inyong mag-asawa, napakaganda kasi you have your personal space and you have a very big master's bedroom. And of course, master's bedroom will not be complete without ensuite, toilet and bath, and a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet muna, magkabilang side. Lalagyan po ng ng glass. Wala pa lang pong glass. Pero sliding glass doors po yan ng ating walk-in closet. Magkabilang side po. And then, ito ang ating napaka-spacious na toilet and bath. Meron tayong his and her sink. Kulang na lang natin would be the mirror, or kung gusto nyo, isang malaking mirror. Ganda rin nun. Kesa dalawang small mirrors or dalawang round mirrors, lagyan mo na lang ng isang malaki dito. It adds space to your toilet and bath. And then, ito ang ating, oh sorry po. And then, ito ang ating shower na meron na rin glass enclosure. Anyway, kasyang-kasya naman. Kung napansin nyo, lahat ng shower head natin, I think they replaced it. Kasi lahat wala. Pero lalagyan po yan lahat ni seller. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. And then of course, our favorite place where we spend 30 minutes of the day. Quiet time ng mga mister. Ayan, dito po yan. Nag-browse, nag-ML. Welcome to our third floor. This is our fifth bedroom. So for our fifth bedroom, medyo smaller siya than the bedrooms downstairs. Pero most likely naman ito pang mga guest room nyo na lang. Alam mo yun? Or kung marami kayong anak, edi dito yung medyo malaki na. Or medyo maliit pa. Alam mo yun? Call nyo na yan. Pero ang toilet and bath niya nandito sa labas. Kasi we have a big living area here na kailangan din siyempre ng toilet. Ayan. Ito yung problema natin. Our sixth bedroom na may sariling toilet and bath, nakalock. Medyo nasira yata yung ating tawag dito? Doorknob. Nasira yung ating doorknob kaya hindi namin mapapakita sa inyo yung 6th bedroom. Pero, as you can see, ito po ang ating napaka-laki. This is a massive family area which you can utilize. Ang ganda po nito. Meron po kami nadalang client dito before. Parang gagawin niya dapat yoga studio to. Kasi napakaganda, di ba? Ang luwag. Pero kahit gawin mo lang tong family room mo, dito mo ilagay yung malaking-malaki mong TV or mag-projector ka na lang. Ang ganda rin nito. Ang size nito siguro 4 by 7? Mga 30 square meters na to, guys. Ang laki talaga. Dito, there's parts na meron tayong tawag dito, cabinets. So, kung meron kayong bisita, pwedeng nandito yung mga shoes nila or slippers. So, on the third floor, we have another powder room. Yan. Kasi syempre, malamang mag-host kayo ng parties dyan. Or pag nakatambay kayo dyan, hindi na kayo bababa, di ba? So, yan. Kumpleto na rin. Very spacious for a powder room. Kumpara mo dun sa ground floor kanina, gandang powder room na to. Coming from our massive third floor family area, meron pa tayong napakaluwag na third floor balcony or parang view deck na rin to eh. Pero ang kagandahan sa kanya, it's covered. So, maluwag pa rin siya kung mag-host kayo ng party. Dito yung outdoor dining nyo, pero covered pa rin. And then, may indoor dining. And then, as you can see, makikita nyo sa likod namin, kita mo na yung Angono Antipolo na mga kabundukan dyan. Yan. Kaya napakaganda rin nung airflow, nung hangin dito sa property na to. And ang isa pang pinakamaganda, ganda ng location natin guys, Greenwoods Executive Village to. Yan. So, yun. So, quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. We're inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So, the house stands on a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 390. It has 2 covered carport, 6 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and then you have the powder room. You also have a dipping pool. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa big balcony, 3rd floor built balcony. So, the asking price for this property before was 25 million. Pero ngayon po, 21 million na lang po for this amazing property. Ang pinakamagandang parte pa po niyan, 1 million lang po ang required down payment natin for this amazing house. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Please call us on the number below. You can also reach us through our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're already 6,000. We have already 6,000 subscribers. Next step po natin is 10,000. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat. God bless and see you on the next one. Peace.